How to log in to DHgate account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to a DHgate account. DHgate is an online B2B e-commerce platform which is based in China. It connects buyers with sellers who offer a wide range of products, often at wholesale price. Now to log into your DHgate account, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar you need to type dhgate.com. Now press on enter to browse it. Within a while you will be taken to the official website of DHgate. If you prefer using mobile phone, then you may also download DHgate application on your mobile device and from there you can use your login credentials in order to log into your DHgate account. But if you want to use DHgate account on PC using website, then first of all you need to come to this website. Once you reach to the official website of DHgate, here at the right side you will be able to find this sign in button. You may click on this sign in button from here, or you may also move your cursor to this profile icon that says join/sign in and then here click on sign in. Once you click on the sign in button, now you will be presented with this pop-up window. In this page, make sure you have selected this sign in option. Now here you will be presented with the email and password box. Here you will need to enter your email address in the first box and enter your password in the second box. After entering the credentials, if you want to reveal your password to double check it, you may also click on this show option at the right side and this will reveal the password. From there you can check if you have entered the password correctly or not. Or in case if you forgot your password and couldn't log into your account, you may also click on this forgot password link just below the box at the right side and from there you need to follow the on-screen prompts to recover your password. Now go ahead and tap on the sign in button right here. And then you will see you have successfully logged in to your DHgate account. You can view your profile from the right side here. Now once you have logged into your account, you can start browsing the products and make purchase on DHgate. So by following the steps, you should be able to log in to your DHgate account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.